Good afternoon, Vikings. It's Miss Webb. Hoping that you all are staying safe. Here we are for our second week of our virtual learning. Make sure you're staying safe, washing your hands, and know that I miss you. Let's go ahead and get started. Also, remember that you can press pause on any parts of the video to make sure that you understand what you need to do, and make sure that you have my email address so that you can send me your scores. Let's get started. What do you know? What can you remember? Take a second and look at this slide. It's asking about weather patterns. Do you think you know the answer? Use your process of elimination and see if you can figure out the answer. You also can text me the answer or email it to me. Weather patterns. Are they the change from gas state to a liquid state? The layer of gas surrounding planet Earth that is held in place by gravity and composed of a limited number of elements, primarily nitrogen and oxygen. Similar weather for a certain number of days, or is it features on the surface of Earth, such as a mountain, hill, dune, ocean, or river? Take a moment and pause and see if you know the answer. Always good to remember your vocabulary. Take a moment and pause, and if you would like to write down at least one or both sections of vocabulary, take a moment, pause, and write those down. You just might need them. All right, here we go. Virtual lesson over weather and currents. So what you're going to do here is you're going to go to brainpop.com. You're going to type in weather. You're going to watch that video and you're going to answer those 10 questions. After you do that one, send me your score. Or you can do both of the videos first, answer those questions, and then you can email me both of your scores to webds@scsk12.org. Now, listen up closely. You can pause the video and get the username and password, or you can listen to me say it real quick. The username for Brainpop is WebHR62, and the password is Homeroom62. If you have any questions, feel free to call, email, or text me. I know that you all are going to do well. Let's see what those scores are going to look like. Hey guys, were you able to answer this question? Where might you find a gyre? That's number one. A, moving in a circle in the South Atlantic Ocean between South America and Africa. B, moving in a straight line in the North Atlantic from North America to Europe. C, moving in a triangular pattern 500 meters beneath the surface of the South Pacific Ocean. Or is it D, moving in one long loop through all of the world's oceans? Tell me what you got. All right, y'all, here's your third virtual lesson over clouds and precipitation, still under the same realm of weather. You're going to go to studyjams.com, type in clouds and precipitation. Look at that slideshow, become familiar with those types of clouds. I'm sure that most of you all remember the different types of clouds that we discussed in class. Once you finish looking at the slideshow, go ahead and answer those 7 questions about clouds and precipitation. What makes up all clouds? Is it distilled water and dust? Condensed water and dust? Dust and steam? Or is it ice and snow? I know you know it. Send me those scores in. I'm sure 6th grade scholars got that answer right. Students, thanks for taking the time out to watch the YouTube video over your science lesson this week. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know how well you did. Let me hear those thoughts about how well the lesson was. Let me know. I want your feedback. Make sure you pay attention to this slide. Pause it for a second. Look at the virtual hours that I am setting up. Tuesdays and Thursdays from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. on the Microsoft Teams app. I hope that you downloaded it. Also, I'll still be sending out the link to the YouTube page just so you can see what all the other classes are doing as well. Discovery Education is a new district platform that we will be using very soon. Make sure you stay tuned for more details about it. Also, you can use all mobile devices on any assignments or anything that I show you via the YouTube channel. Your quizzes, your STEM scopes, your study jams, your Brainpop can all be used on a phone, Google Chromebook, any of those things you can use. Make sure that you are emailing me your results on your quizzes. In the meantime, when you have no quizzes codes or you've finished all of your work on the YouTube channel, make sure you go in and do some iReady reading and math minutes. I'd love to see that some students are getting back on there and getting busy with their reading and math. Learning never stops. I can't wait to see your faces again. Let me know if you need anything, and I'll be glad to help if I can. Take care. Until next time. Talk to you later.